Asuntoskäyttäjä munkin kuulme.
Today it's the 19th of January 2025. We have Sähkökatu 47 here in Hyvinkää, Finland. We also built the building 45 here.
Yeah.
The same here, built in 1963 by Helsingin Hissi, modernized in 2001 by Kone. Kone officials in the delta type indicator. Capacity is 3 parcels of 205 grams, and its number is 63 and 1 license. Frankly, it's a dog house, but it's dog open probably.
Yeah.
1 or 2 rights.
That's it.
Still interesting, of course.
Yeah.
But the original ones were rare for Hyvinkää.
Yeah.
Before the modernization, it was one of the best in Hyvinkää.
Yeah.
Because there's no MP4 in Hyvinkää.
Yeah, but one Kone, but not anymore.
Yeah, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it's not anymore.
Yeah. Expected by lift control Finland to maintain back home.
I believe it might be late 1963 because 1772 were built in 1964.
Yeah.
But they got in basics.
Yeah.
Oops. That's it.
That's